Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to go in great details. I'm going to show you guys how to create a landing page for a webinar. The website is getresponse.com, and I feel this is an absolutely brilliant website. You can create your website, you can have market automations, you can have conversion funnels and email marketing. And as I scroll down, the amount of inbound marketing solutions that you need from Get Your Business Online, grow your audience, engage with customers, boost online sales, and personalized tools for who you are. If you're an entrepreneur, online marketer, marketing manager, or a large company, all of these elements are available at getresponse.com, and they have unbeatable prices for all-in-one marketing software. Obviously, you have your free and forever free options as well. That includes email marketing, website builder, connect a domain, list up to 500 contacts, landing pages, sign up, and contact forms. But they also have paid plans and they have custom plans as well. So whatever you need, whatever customization that you require, whatever your requirements are as a business, you can easily get them by getting to getresponse.com. In today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can sign up for free. And once you have signed up for free, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a landing page for your webinar. So without further ado, let's start. So sign up for free. You can click on the link over here. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the next page where they'll ask you for some details. So we're going to add our details in. I've put the details in and we're going to create our account now. Once you have signed in, you have different options from your newsletter, from tips and tricks and quick actions. On the top hand side corner, you have your contacts, email marketing, reports, and obviously the tools. When you click on the tools, you have different options: autoresponders, website builders, landing pages, forms, e-commerce tools, automation, webinars, and obviously paid ads, chat, and web push notifications. So there's a lot of options over here. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to create a landing page for webinars. So we'll go to create a landing page. When you click on it, it'll go into different options, different templates that are available. You can build from scratch as well, but we're doing something very particular. We're selecting webinars. When I go to webinars, it'll show me different themes that are available, different templates that are available for me to select from. So let's select something that I like. I feel this one seems very interesting. When I select the template, it gives me the landing page and gives me a little bit more detail of what the landing page is going to look like. We can enter the name of the landing page, and this is just going to be for ourselves, not going to be shown to the public. So let's call this webinar. And obviously you have your thank you page as well, and this is what the thank you page is going to look like. Thank you for signing up to our brand weekly newsletter. So let's hit the next step and start customizing it. And I feel the customization that is available at getresponse.com is quite unique. I have not seen this level of customization for any other website, and I feel that if someone who's an amateur, they can easily develop and customize a good landing page themselves. You have different variants on the left hand side corner. You have variant A, you can create another variant, variant B, and it will help you to compare different elements that you have and different styles that you have, and you can check what works for you more, and you can actually develop it from there. And this is your thank you page. We'll show you, I'm going to show you in a second how to edit this. So let's go to variant A. Now on variant A, you have different options. You can change the picture if you want. You have different options over here. You can delete it, you can duplicate it, you can bring it forward, you can add obviously another one of it. So there's another version I've taken over here. So let me bring that up, and I can move it around wherever I want. So you can clearly see the amount of flexibility that's available over here. You can select the date as well, the date you want it to be. You can have an icon that you want. You can change the icon if you want as well, and you can get it from your stock galleries. You can get it from GIFs. You can get it free. Get the response images that are available, which I'm going to show you right now. So let's change the image. So you can have an icon, you can have a picture, you can search online, you can get anything you want, and you can change it around. Let me scroll on and show you what options you have. And on the right hand side corner, which is the most important element, you have different options that you have over here. So I'm going to go through each one of them. This one is where you can drag and drop and get and develop a section. So if I can pick and drop it over here, and it'll give me a section that I can put. So this is a new section that is available over here. If I want to put something, for example, a product box, I can select it from here. I'm going to bring down the product blocks and actually place it. I can start adding different products, the currency I want, the store name, and I can do a lot of stuff from here as well. So I'm going to delete that right now from here. If you want to delete it, you will click on it, and there will be a right section over here with a dustbin. You just click on that and it's going to get deleted. Now if you want to put a picture, and obviously you can drag and drop an image and it will open a section. So for example, I want to put an image over on this line at the bottom. So I'll select over here, the image is going to be there. I can replace the image for something, and when I go to the category, so you can search from my files, from free Getresponse images, from Shutter galleries. So let's change an image to this one. Let me select it, and once I use it, it will be automatically displayed on my landing page. And that is the beauty of it, guys. I can actually make it bigger or smaller any way I want, so I can select the size for it. I can also move it around if I want on the left or right side corner. So this actually gives me a lot of flexibility of where I want the product to be. I can actually edit it as well. When I hit edit, it gives me an option of what I want to do with it. So I want to crop it, I want to move it, I want to cut it, I want to add text to it. So all of these options are available for you. Even furthermore, if you want to add a button, and a button means literally you take the button and you place it over here. For example, let's put the button on the top over here. When I double click on it, I can change the text. I can see what I want the buttons to do. I can change the color for it. So for example, there's a gradient. So let's hit a blue color, but let's make it a little bit darker. And obviously it gives me other options that I can do. There can be solid colors as well, so that I can select for it and it changes the colors I want. So there's a lot of options, guys, that are available, and I can easily delete it as well by clicking on the dustbin over here and delete the button. So basically, if there's anyone that wants to fill in the details for the webinar, you have your static forms and you have your pop-up form. So we would do a pop-up form. When you click the pop-up form, you can take it and actually see where the pop-up form is going to be. So let's say it's going to be over here. And you can see what is going to be a sign-up form or an exit form or a download form or a scroll form or a fixed bar. So it's going to be a sign-up form. And then in the sign-up form, you can edit what you want the sign-up form to be. So you can customize exactly what you want it to be, in what you want it to say, what information you want from the people. All these options are available for you. And that is the beauty of Getresponse.com. It gives you the flexibility to develop whatever you want. So let's close this for now and let's delete this from here. So there's different shapes as well. Sometimes you need a bar in between. So you can select this bar and put it in between as a divider. So it gives you a nice break between your information so the information can easily be read. You can also put links and schedule a webinar if you want. Now this is a counter and it can easily pick and drop the counter over here. It gives me the time and the date when it's going to be. So which timer type do you want? Do you want the standard timer that counts down a specific time and date, or evergreen timer that counts down from the moment a visitor reaches your stage? Let's go for an evergreen timer, and then you can say this is going to be for 5 minutes. And what happens when the counter ends? A visitor stays on the page, or the visitor is redirected to another page. So these are all the options available. When you hit save, you can clearly see that the timer is available for 5 minutes and it's going to start counting. Once you get a rate, once it finishes, it will be redirected, or you can stay. So it gives you a nice way and understanding of what the counter is going to do. There's a video option. You can click on it, drag and drop a video option over here. So your video option is going to be there. You can put whatever video you want, and you can embed whatever link you want, either from YouTube or any website. You can easily embed it and it will work with you. So obviously this is the level of customization that is available with Getresponse.com. You also have the chance to embed a custom code as well. So if there's a custom code you want, you can easily put it where you want, and you can also embed it, and you can add your custom code. For a lot of developers who want to take it to the next level, this option is available for you guys. We're going to delete this. The other thing that you have, you can easily look at it, how it's going to look on the mobile once you've done all of it. So this is how it's going to look on the mobile. You can clean it up, you can change it, you can add things, you can do whatever you want. And that is the beauty of Getresponse.com and creating a landing page for a webinar over here. Guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and your family so they can easily find out how to create a landing page for a webinar on Getresponse.com. Until our next video, take care.